Shout Jel, hello guys. Ayan, pa 500,000 natin to. Let's go. Saan ka nag-review? Uplink. Woohoo! Guys, as in, like worth it yung uplink kasi mura siya plus sobrang quality nung quality talaga yung mga professors. So, work. MSA din, amazing. Fighting, laban mo yung thesis mo. Woo! Shout out. Hi, Life! Life! Uy, Life! Musta? Hello! Ay, 98 din daw yung NMAT ni Christian. Wahoo! Silent. Wahoo! May scene ka ba na pinaglaban na hindi dapat ganun yung Oo, meron. Sobra. Kasi meron ako isa. Episode 8, Exercise. Meron akong pinaglaban na scene. Kasi may scene dun sa episode 8. Pwede na, di ba? Kasi tapos naman na yung season. May scene dun sa episode 8 nung sinabi ko kay Vlad, I'm gay, walang euphemism. Di ba? So, after nun, ang nakalagay doon sa script they kiss. Parang, and Carlene said for kiss. Ganun. So, for me na, like, Gege brought it up na, yun nga, may kissing scene na gano'n. Tapos ako, sabi ko, or like at the back of my mind, ang sinabi ko lang kasi like, yun, like, hindi ako comfortable na gawin yung scene na yun. Kasi, baka kasi, ang matutunan ng audience na yun is that, you can elicit affection through grief. And wala lang. Feeling ko, like, yun. Wahoo! Yun. Yun, feeling ko unwarranted. So yun, hindi kami nag-kiss. Yun lang. Parang kissing scene siya na hindi ako comfortable na doon. Yun. And they listen, hindi natuloy. Kasi yun, di ba, ito lang, personal opinion ko lang naman din kasi to. I mean, we had collaboration naman yung project. So, everyone's opinion is taken note of, and that was ours. Ian and I, yun, we both agreed naman eh. Yun. Kasi, yun, totoo yun na, parang intimacy can be expressed in different ways. Tapos, yun. Saka, diba, parang, sobrang ma-overshadow siya nung kissing scene nung 7 tsaka 6 talaga kapag yun. Diba? Yun. So, yun. Hehe. Tama ba? Better na parang mag-lean na lang siya sa shoulder niya. Tapos naging sad na lang sila at that moment. Hehe. Favorite kissing scene na lang naman eh. Yun. Hehe. Ayan, malapit na tayo Ayun, 464. Yung one-eyed iyak. Actually, tinatry ko talagang hindi umiyak nung one-eyed iyak nung episode 8. Pero like, nasasad lang talaga ako for Carl. Pero kasi ang dami ko kasing iyak noon. Actually, may iyak ako that didn't make the final edit. I think. Yeah, may iyak ako na hindi nag-make ng final edit. So parang naisip ko, oh my God, kapag umiyak ako dito, 4 na yung iyak ko sa episode. Gano'n. So talagang pinipigilan ko siya kasi, pero yeah, yung goals mo naman talaga is to make your character live. So, yan. Hinayaan ko na lang siya na ganun siya. Pero yun, iba-iba yun. Fun yun. Pero strongest episode ko pa rin talaga, feeling ko, episode, yung talaga, yung tatlo kami ni Judith tsaka ni Vlad. Si Carl, si Judith, tsaka si Vlad nung ganun. Yung interrogation ni Ate Judith talaga yun. One of my feeling ko, personally, one of my strongest. Tsaka yung Claudine Barreto moment ko that didn't make the cut nung episode 6. Yan, baka naman siya. Uy, may nagpamalakanyang. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Thank you, Gulliver! Gulliver! Thank you! Thank you, Sir Gulliver! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yay! Oo nga. I'm gonna try to invite Sir Gulliver. Oh my God, you've been giving. My God. How does one? Invite Sir Gulliver. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. How do I invite? I want to invite him.
What's his username?
Um,
Gulliver Cortez.
uh, Gulliver Cortez. Okay. I'm gonna invite Sir Gulliver kasi, oh my gosh, I love you. Thank you. Guys, pero gets ko guys kasi wala na kayong pera today. Ako din naman, kung nag-spend ako ng diamonds today, wala akong pera. So, guys, chill lang. Okay lang. Ala, hindi ko siya ma-add. Kailangan ko ata siya i-follow muna. Guys, babalik ako dito 1 second. Pa-follow ko lang si Sir Gulliver. Okay. Ay, hindi ko pala kailangan umalis. Ang galing. Ayan. Para hindi na lang si Ian Pangilinan yung nasa search bar ko. I am going to follow him. He is so amazing. Yo. Yo. Oh, he's driving. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But can I add you, sir? Uh, oh, I can find him still. Job interview. Hello. Oh, he's driving. Okay, I'll ask someone else. So, okay, let's ask. Paano ba mag-add ng host? Diyos ko.
How did you do it earlier?
Paano mag... Ugh. I can do this.